Wash time, shower time for the car,
I live in a
for the
forest.
truck. Mga naman si Ethan eh. Hello guys! So we're heading to Mike's guys, and then nagpaano pa kami, ang tawag ani, car wash. Andito na kami sa Mike's guys, and then tingnan nyo guys, nag-sale sila guys, so mura na lang, so mag-shopping tayo guys. Ayan siya, talaga nag-shopping ni Sophia. 12 bucks, yeah. Yeah, play tent. 12 bucks only guys. Yeah. Grabe, it's big sale na. You have how much this one, Masman, huh? This one. Just it's all there. So ito guys, yung mics.
This umbrella right here, what it does.
Oh, look at the umbrella.
Here's this umbrella right here. Look at this here. For a beach.
Ah.
It makes like a curve
How
thing.
much?
Huh? I don't know how much they are.
Bata, yeah. He's standing.
I know, you gotta watch them.
It's a yeah. Oh,
See, it sits
that's
down on the
cool.
ground all the way around.
Yeah.
Keeps the wind from blowing in on you.
Oh,
That's when
nice.
you're at the beach.
Ay, mga rods nila.
Watch out. You gotta hang on, man. Daddy's going.
Dito.
Watch, see what you're doing.
Ah. Oh, look at the umbrella. $10.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, that-
$10 Alabama umbrella. Yeah.
Got much money, I know that. Hey, strong shoes.
Hello. Ethan. Water shoes? iPhone
7, 8,
is.
9, 10.
It's empty na here. Oh.
Huh?
I think they sell because they want to sold it
Well,
on.
they're trying to get rid of all the summer stuff. That's what they do.
Yeah.
What is that?
This one 55 kana siya kani. 55.
Yeah, that's that. Yeah. Cool. A bunch of instructions over there too.
What's that?
Huh?
What's that?
What?
That one. It's a light stick.
You got the big blow up helmets. Put outside the head.
$95. Kani siya. Off.
Oh my wife, here's a TV now.
Hala, TV stand.
32 to 90 TV for $30.
Ah, $30. Nice. Ah, what is this?
Remote control.
Oh, $10.
You ain't gotta push it, just ride it.
This one.
Yeah.
Ay, $10. One piece. I took two. I took 2 pieces of
A
that.
real mower, ain't it? It's sycamore, yeah. Well, how much are they? $10 a piece.
That's fine. What the other
Big
one?
one too.
Ah, nice. Okay, here's Ethan.
$10.
It's Ethan. There's Ethan. Jeng 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 jeng. Ayun, pinamili ni Ethan. Kami guys. Magluto kami panihapon.
Looks good now, don't it?
Ha?
The truck looks good now, don't it?
Yeah, very clean. Yeah. Then wash. Wash, wash. Mag-load muna kami guys. So, hello guys! So, nasa bahay na kami guys. So, ayan yung mga pinamili namin. And then, ayan, napagalitan ako ni Mr. nito guys dahil nagsubra yung aming binayad. Nagulat kasi ako nung sinabi niya $70 yung nabayad niya sa tanan sa all clothing na nabili namin. And then, inaano ko kasi siya, ano ba tawag dyan? Chine-check ko siya bago namin siya i-ano sa counter ba, pina-counter. So, it's supposed to be $60 lang. So, ayun na nga, nagalit si Mr. sa akin. Kasi nga, nung nasa counter kami, kulang ng isang item para maging tatlo. Sayang kasi pag dalawa lang, kasi pag dalawa, each is $5. So, sayang. So, nagkuha ako ng isa para ma-eksaktong $10 ang tatlo. So, ayan ang nangyari. Nag-over bayad kami ng $10. So, nagalit si Mr. Hindi naman nagalit. Sabihan niya ako dahil hindi ko daw tinitingnan. So, ganon lang guys. So, pinagalitan talaga ako. So, ayan, binilhan niya kaming tatlo ng shoes guys. Sapatos dahil $10 lang. $10, $25 lang yan siya guys. So, Reebok na siya. And then, so, yeah. So, ayun lang guys, din si Joanna is hindi namin kasama dahil meron siyang competition sa kanyang band. So kami lang yung shopping dahil nasa bahay lang kami. Malayo kasi yung inaano ni Joanna. Nagpunta sila ng Mississippi. So, ayun guys. So, hello guys! So, kahapon nga pala guys, hindi ko natapos yung nag-shopping kami sa Mike's and then pagkatapos namin doon sa Mike's guys, nagpunta pala kami sa Aldi's. So, nag-grocery kami para matapos na yung grocery ni Mr. sa this week ba. So, ayun na nga guys, ang nangyari guys. Si Mr. kasi mag-grocery guys is tingo ba ang dami in 1 week. So in 1 week guys, hindi lang yan siya kaisa pumunta ng grocery, kundi maraming beses siya pupunta doon. And then, so hindi napigilan ng isang cashier sa Aldi's na tanungin siya. So sabi ng cashier, "Sir, pwede magtanong?" Sa ganon ba? So na din ako kung ano ang itatanong niya kay Mr. So ayun pala guys, itatanong niya kung ilan daw yung binubuhay niya sa bahay. So, ilan daw kami sa bahay. So, dahil ang dami daw niyang kanang binibiling grocery and then hindi kanang maraming beses daw niyang nakikita si Mr. doon talaga sa Aldi's. Malapit lang din kami sa Aldi's guys. Pwede lang siya lakarin, pwede ko siya lakarin, pero si Mr. matatakot din siya guys. So, ayaw niya kaming pa-anhon guys, kanang maglakaw-lakaw bitaw nga dili mi magsakay. Hadlok na siya kay kuyaw lagi ang panahon. So di gyud na siya musugot nga maglakaw-lakaw mi. So duol ra gyud kaayo ang Aldi's diri guys. Inigawas na mo aning subdivision namo. Aldi's na makita. Kinahanglan lang mi mo labang. So guys, ayun lang guys. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye guys.